This guide covers both emulator-based and non-emulator methods, along with practical tips to help you run Android on your Mac smoothly and legally. Part 1. Run Android on Mac with Android emulators. One easy way to run Android on a Mac is with an Android emulator. Emulators create a virtual Android device on your Mac so you can run apps and games. Popular options include BlueStacks user-friendly, supports many apps and games. Nox Player smooth performance with customization options. Genymotion ideal for developers testing apps. Lib Player optimized for high-performance gaming. All these tools are legal and safe for personal use. Steps to use BlueStacks on Mac. Step 1. Download and install BlueStacks. Step 2. Open it and sign in with your Google account. Step 3. Browse and download apps directly from the Google Play Store within BlueStacks. Step 4. Enjoy running Android apps and games on your Mac. Part 2. Run Android on Mac using Phone Mirror. If you want to avoid heavy Android emulators, you can run Android on a Mac more easily with Phone Mirror. Instead of creating a virtual system, it simply mirrors and controls your actual Android device, offering smoother performance and better compatibility. Step 1. Download and install Phone Mirror on your Mac. Once installed, launch the application and select Android from the interface. Step 2. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Android device to your Mac. You can connect via USB cable or Wi-Fi, depending on your preference. Step 3. Once the connection is established, your Android device's screen will appear on your Mac. To gain full control of your Android device, click the mouse icon in the sidebar. You can now control your Android phone using your Mac's keyboard and mouse.